Just a quick safety note. I've worked with tools and machines for many years, and I know my limits. What you see here is how I do things. It's not a recommendation. Please don't attempt to copy this. Your safety is your own responsibility. Thanks. For the past 28 days as a new YouTuber, I've been building, preparing things to help me make better videos. This video is about that process, getting everything in order so I can improve the quality of my contents going forward from here on. I am sure you can hear that I'm reading this. One thing I especially want to improve is my talking, becoming more comfortable and confident while explaining what I'm doing. So far, this is a stressful part for me. I also need to stress something important. When I climb on the table or work with certain setups, I am doing it my own way. I do not recommend that anyone else copy what I do. It is not always safe. Please don't replicate it. I am simply sharing my process. But safety must always come first. Future videos that I plan to make will be about gardening, rock and glass tumbling, dismantling things, salvaging some nice parts, baking, working with clay that I found in the surroundings, trying to make pottery, making different things, and simply exploring ideas that I am curious about. At this moment, I decided to use wire to keep the light from swinging around. Making plans on the way is part of my life. It happens a lot of times that I change my mind from something that I decided on, and then something else that I do. This entire setup is built around saving money. I don't have a big budget, so I'm using what I have and making what I can myself. There will be links for this bracket to the videos that I already made on my channel if you want to go and check it out. The main focus of this video is the table where I'll be doing my experiments. I choose a white table so I can clearly capture everything I work on. The goal is to have a clean, bright surface that makes filming simpler, cleaner and more professional. As for my gear, I have the white table with a mount bracket above it so I can position one of my cameras directly over whatever I'm working on. Okay. Lighting is also a big part of the setup. I've worked on placing enough light above the table to make sure everything is properly illuminated. Good lighting improves clarity and overall video quality. And that's something I want to get right from the start. I created brackets, extension arms, to hold and position my phone properly while filming. Those builds videos are already on my channel, and you'll see parts of them here as well. My cameras are cell phones. I use a Samsung Galaxy A55, a Samsung Galaxy A34, and an older Samsung Note 5 for filming. I am not sponsored by any one of these brands. I also use a mini tripod for closer, lower shots, and a large tripod for normal standing up setups. The newer phones record in 4K, which allows me to zoom in during editing when necessary, while still maintaining a good video quality. For the brackets you see on this table and the extension arms, please follow the links that I'm going to share now. And I will be pleased if you subscribe to help me build my channel. Thank you very much.